Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 1st March, 6 p.m. And a few people asked me whether the important trend change, date low, whether market will respect that low or not. Of course, yes, it will come and definitely respect those dates if it is a very, very important number. And everybody was talking about Bitcoin again, that BTC and ETH again started moving. I'll show a simple example how it respected those dates and where it is now. Okay. So this video, I'm going to talk about ETH, BTC, and metals, Nifty Metals. Okay. So now we'll go to the screen, which we discussed earlier. So you can go to my YouTube channel. And this was the first video when I covered cryptocurrency. I covered on 29th, I covered on 9th January, saying that 23rd January will be the D-Day for cryptocurrency. You can go and watch this video. Please watch this video, then come back to this video. Okay, so cryptocurrency, important dates. Okay, so now we'll go to the graph. Okay, so now, okay, so this was 23rd. I made a video on 9th. Okay, 9th, it was somewhere here. And exactly came down all the way, took the support at 23rd, and it went up. Okay, and this was a good rally of roughly around, if I take the price range from the high of 23rd, it was roughly around 27-28% rally. And from there, it came down. Again, 4 days back, it came, respected the low of 23rd, and it went up. And apart from that, if I change this to my weekly, and this is my fortune signals, which I use for my investment and trading purpose. So till it holds this red color low, we don't need to worry about it is ETH or BTC. I'll show you BTC also. So it holds my design, which is this blue color and red color. Till it holds this low, we don't need to worry about on ETH. So it has took an exact support on my indicator, and then it went up. So now let's go to daily. So till it holds 23rd January low, we don't need to worry. Every time it comes, it will take a pullback only. Okay, but close below 23rd Jan low. And there is one more important date which is happening in the month of March, which is also very, very special for ETH and BTC. Maybe a later point of time I will talk about that video. I've already got the date also. So as of now, till it holds 23rd January low, we don't need to worry about. Whenever it comes there, as well as my indicator support is also there, it will try to move up only. Okay, this is BTC. And ETH. Coming to BTC, the same 23rd January, I covered this also on 19th. So from there again it went up, touched to my system design. So if you go here, it went and touched my system design on the blue color. When it was a sell, then these two will become resistance. Okay, so it went and touched my blue, and from there again it came down, respected again the 23rd Jan low, and it went up. So if I go to my weekly channel, so the weekly channel is like this. So it takes a support exactly on the red color and started moving. So always remember, this date, this 23rd date, high and low of January, will be respected even for next 10 years. It is not like, next month, will this go off? No, it will respect this date. Whenever it comes and touches that, date high and low, it will respect. That's how market, market was designed. So as of now, till it holds 23rd January low, we don't need to worry. Maybe the future date, I will definitely discuss about the future date in the later point of time. So now, as I already mentioned about my, in my video about Nifty Metals. Okay. So I clearly mentioned that the second week of, February is the deciding factor for metals to go up from here or go down from here. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you can, one second. So you can go and watch, first video of Nifty Metals and IT Index. This was the first video. You can go and watch from there how Nifty Metals crashed, as well as IT crashed. And the recent video after February, I said, the metal index, will it deliver two-digit returns in February? Because February month was the game changer for metals, and the date happened in the second week of February. And the important date for metals was 11th February and 14th February. Okay, so now we will go to the graph. So, but go and watch this video too. Go and watch this video too. So I am saying, will metal index deliver two-digit return on or before June? Actually, it is on or before 22nd June 2022. Okay, so watch this video. I've clearly mentioned everything. So now we will go to the chart and see how it will look. Okay. So Nifty Metals. So now I've removed my indicator. So again, pitchfork had a beautiful way to catch the bottom. So it caught the bottom here, went up, came down, touched exactly the bottom of pitchfork. Okay, and again went up. This blue color line, I'm talking about this blue color line. Okay, so this blue color line was the pitchfork end line. This pitchfork was the end line and exactly came and touched here only. And I was talking about metals from 8th November. You can go back to my videos and see how I covered Nifty Metals from 8th November. So this was the date exact. From there it crashed, went up. See how market respects those dates, low, high and low. So it from here, even though it took the exact support from pitchfork, it went and touched exactly the low of 9th November. It went and touched the low of 9th November, which was a very, very important day. And I covered this much before 9th November. So it went and touched, again came back, touched pitchfork low, then went up. The next, the important date which I gave was 14th January. After 14th January, there was a crash and it went up. Then I mentioned in my recent video on Nifty Metal saying that 11th and 14th was the very important day, and it was a combination dates for metal index. So now what happened? 11th again, it made the high. This is 10th February. According to me, 11th February. 11th February was the date. So from here, it again came down. Came down badly. Again, it does not touch my pitchfork level. It went up again. And yesterday, because 11th and 14th was the important date. Yesterday, it went exactly and touched the 14th February high and closed to there. So that is why we took the trade on Hindalco yesterday. It was a fabulous move of 30 rupees, and Hindalco was looking extremely good. If metal index is going to do well in the month of March, April, and May and June, I think Hindalco will definitely rock. Okay, so it did extremely well yesterday. So we are very happy. I will show you in case for the important date of Hindalco. So it respected the date of 14th high and it closed below. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. But once it crosses and closes above 11th February high, which is 6077, it's a breakout and possibility of 20% upside from there in metal index. And this is what I discussed when I put a video on metal index in the month of February 6th. I've talked about metal index on February 6th, that these are the important dates which are going to come, which is 11th and 14th. And after 14th, after 11th, it was a crash. And again, it went up. It went and closed exactly yesterday at 14th high. And once it breaks and closes above 11th February high, it will be a jackpot trade for metal traders. Okay, so watch out for metal counters once it closes above 11th high. See how market respects those dates. You don't need any technical indicator in this. All are secondary for me. Okay, so now one good thing to see is it closed above the pitchfork median line. Pitchfork median line. Okay, metals are looking good, but according to me, Nifty and Bank Nifty is not looking good, even though there was a pullback from the low. Tomorrow is the first important date. Anyway, I will try to cover Nifty and Bank Nifty in the next video. But if Nifty supports, believe me, metals are going to rock. Okay, so I'll take only one counter. I'll finish this video. Let's go to Hindalco. Why we took the trade yesterday. Okay, so the important date for metal index was February 15th. And you all have this date from February 1st itself. Okay, the same, you all know that 14th January, and I was repeating from the 14th January. Then I posted this date in my Twitter handle, in my LinkedIn, in social media, and all that. That this was the major date for Hindalco, Tata Steel, Nalco, and VEDM. Okay, so now it went up, came down, respected the low of 14th January. Went up, and yesterday once it broke, because see here it tried and closed above this date high, which was February 15th. It tried one time, second time, third time, fourth time it happened on 25th. Once it broke yesterday, that is on 20th February, it was a phenomenal move. It was 7% move on Hindalco, and believe me, Nifty showed the positive sign because of metals on 28th. Otherwise, again, we would have seen some fall. But anyway, I will discuss that in the next presentation. So see how beautifully it worked. It respected the February high, first 3 days, came down all the way, respected the 14th January low, and from there zoom. There is no need of any indicator here. Where is the question of indicator here? There is no need. Okay, so but we use our indicator to see where the bottoms, everything, and then we will use it for our maximum benefit. But still, without indicator, you can definitely rock by using the dates. And I've already got all the dates for month of March, and for the Nifty I've already posted in my channels, social media. Kindly use it. And I've given 3 special dates for 2022, special dates for 2022, and 1 special date for 2023. It is already there with you. Just mark it and see the magic, what is going to happen in the future date. So now I'm closing this video. So I'll be covering my daily forecast on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Sorry, I was not able to cover Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq. Maybe if I have time, I will definitely cover. And most of the indices are at my support level, on a weekly front. But according to me, market will not sustain on the higher side. So let's watch. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, mutual funds, cryptos, currencies, whatever. Consult a financial advisor before investing in anything. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. See you soon.